I wasn't supposed to be home early. That was the only thought running through my mind as I unlocked the door to my small apartment, my tie loosened, my shoulders aching from another long day at the office. The smell hit me first. Garlic. Olive oil. Something warm, comforting. I froze. I lived alone. Slowly, cautiously, I stepped inside. And then I saw her. Standing barefoot in my kitchen, sleeves rolled up, hair tied loosely at the back of her head, calmly stirring something on the stove like she belonged there. Elena Hart. The CEO of Hartwell Industries. My boss. No, my company's boss. The woman whose signature decided promotions, layoffs, futures. She turned when she heard the door. "Oh," she said softly, smiling. "You're home earlier than I expected." My brain stopped working. "Why, you're cooking." I finally managed. She laughed quietly. "I hope you don't mind. You didn't answer your phone, and I got tired of waiting." "Waiting? In my apartment? For me?" I asked. She nodded. "For you." The silence between us was heavy, filled with unspoken questions. Then she said the sentence that changed everything. "I'm staying with you tonight." 3 months earlier, Elena Hart barely knew my name. I was just another analyst, quiet, overworked, invisible. But one late-night presentation changed that. I challenged her strategy. Not aggressively. Not disrespectfully. Just, honestly. The room had gone silent. Executives avoided eye contact. But Elena didn't get angry. She smiled. And after the meeting, she stopped me in the hallway. "Everyone agrees with me," she said. "But you think?" From that night on, she started calling me into meetings. Then asking my opinion. Then staying late, with me. Coffee turned into conversations. Conversations turned into something dangerously personal. Still, we never crossed a line. Until tonight. We ate in silence at first. The food was incredible. "You didn't have to do this," I said. "I wanted to," she replied. "That's different." She studied my apartment, the modest furniture, the books, the simple life. "You live honestly," she said. "No pretending." I laughed. "You say that like it's rare." "It is," she said quietly. "Especially where I come from." Then her expression changed. Tired. Vulnerable. "I had a board meeting today," she continued. "They want me to marry." I blinked. What? A merger. A legacy family. Someone powerful. She looked down. Someone I don't love. The room felt smaller. "So why are you here?" I asked. She met my eyes. "Because I needed one night where I wasn't a CEO." Later, we sat on opposite ends of the couch. Close, but not touching. "I won't pressure you," she said. "If you want me to leave." "No," I interrupted. The word came out too fast. She smiled softly. "You're different," she said. "You don't want something from me." "I just want you to be okay," I replied. She leaned her head back, eyes closing. "That's why I trust you." Outside, rain began tapping against the windows. She stood. "I'll sleep on the couch," she said. I shook my head. "I only have one bed." She paused. Then smiled. "I know." We lay on opposite sides of the bed. No touching. Just breathing. The quiet was louder than words. "Do you ever wish you chose a simpler life?" I asked. She turned toward me. "Every day," she whispered. "But tonight. I think I found it." Her hand brushed mine, accidentally. Neither of us pulled away. Nothing happened. Yet everything changed. We lay on opposite sides of the bed. No touching. Just breathing. She was gone when I woke up. The bed cold. For a moment, I thought it had all been a dream. Then I saw the note on the table. Thank you for giving me a place where I could just be human. Elena. At work that day, she was distant. Professional. But when our eyes met in the boardroom, she smiled. The quiet was louder than words. Do you ever wish you chose a simpler life? I asked. She turned toward me. Every day, she whispered. But tonight, I think I found it. Her hand brushed mine, accidentally. Neither of us pulled away. Nothing happened. Yet everything changed. Weeks passed. Rumors spread. Her engagement was announced. The office celebrated. I didn't. On the day of the press conference, she called me to her office. Come in, she said. She stood by the window. I can't do it, she said. My heart raced. I built an empire, she continued. But I lost myself. She turned. And I don't want to lose you. The quiet was louder than words. Do you ever wish you chose a simpler life? I asked. She turned toward me. Every day, she whispered. But tonight, I think I found it. Her hand brushed mine, accidentally. Neither of us pulled away. Nothing happened. Yet everything changed. She resigned that day. The headlines exploded. The world was shocked. I was not. That night, there was a knock at my door. She stood there. No makeup. No power suit. Just Elena. This time, she said, I'm not leaving in the morning. I stepped aside. And for the first time, she came home with me.